So we'll test the microphone as my wife drives up behind me with the skid steer. We are going to relocate and dig up another cedar tree, transplant another cedar tree that we found. Well, we marked it earlier in this year or end of last year, I forget which. Anyway, we forgot about it and we saw it, I think, this morning coming in. So we're gonna go dig it up and put it in. We have ordered Virginia pines and they should arrive somewhere between April 15th and April 30th. And these are coming from, at least hopefully this time, a reputable source nursery in Tennessee. There are apparently several in Tennessee that are not very reputable. Scams, sin, dead, rotten stuff, blah, blah, blah. This actually is coming from a .gov website for the state of Tennessee. I'll put the link in the description below when they come in, if they come in, and we'll plant those as soon as they come in. Anyway, I'll have to go get one more volunteer cedar. Oh, on the way, I thought I would show this. This is what we call a cheater cedar, or a cheater tree. A cheater tree, because it's taller than me. We got a couple of these around the property. We may try to transplant this one. You can see how big that is. It's a little bald on the back side, and the arms are sticking out a little bit in the front, but we can reshape it. Just don't think I'm up for that today. So this is the biggest of the ones that we are attempting to transplant as of right now. This one's about 3 feet tall with this legginess at the top. Anyway, we're going to dig it up and move it down the hill. Well, that was not elegant at all. Can't even say that it was successful, but we did get it up out of the ground. And I'm going to put it in the dirt. As a reference, that is as tall as her shovel with that much in the ground. So very much a cheater tree. So that's the sunny conclusion of transplanting another cedar from the property for a Christmas tree. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.